मुझे बता दीजिए कितने लोकल एमएलए होते हैं ऐसी गलत जगह पर जाकर कहते हैं मैंने नहीं होने देना, मैं बैठा हूं बाहर।
Usually it's just the low-hanging fruit, but the larger question, who is protecting the Luthras? The sheer fact they could leave so easily on a flight outbound to Phuket, Thailand at 5 a.m. in the morning, why weren't any checks in order?
I think they've been exceedingly smart because they left overnight, they knew what was coming. So obviously what they were doing very smartly, they've done it further smartly by fleeing away at the earliest, midnight. So I think they were very smart. That's what happened because they knew otherwise it was coming.
Who takes responsibility, Dr. Kiran Bedi, because this is the low-hanging fruit in terms of the arrests that have taken place. Even the Luthras, where they need to be brought back, there's a blue-collar notice against them. But the larger question, who takes responsibility? Who is in collusion? Who is trying to protect the Luthras? How is it that these clubs were functioning without any license on government land, illegally at that?
Preeti, it has to be the bigger hand. It is finally the hand that governs. And the local governance it cannot be without that local hand. And the local hand will clear only in seeing what is in it for him or her. We do not. And the local MLA is bound to be a beneficiary. Otherwise, the local MLA can go and agitate against it and say, ये नहीं होने देना मैंने। मुझे बता दीजिए कितने लोकल एमएलए होते हैं ऐसी गलत जगह पर जाकर कहते हैं मैंने नहीं होने देना, मैं बैठा हूं बाहर। I tell you, the day the local MLAs start taking these kind of corrective measures and take charge, I think India will not change. We need to now go after the local MLA and the local district magistrate. We need to find these two people. Once they do that, one is professionally responsible, the other is electorally responsible. Don't go after these small fries. These small fries are just surviving, living hand to mouth, or unless, of course, making a lot of money.